Hello and welcome to the 2026 Plant Sale Virtual Preview. This is our 17th annual plant sale. My name is Paul Buck and I am the City Forester. Before we get going, there are some important dates to remember. The sale begins for Plymouth residents only on March 2nd. On March 9th, it is open to non-residents as well. Lately, we've sold out by the end of March, so get your order in as soon as possible. The pickup dates are Friday, May 8th, 3 to 6, and Saturday, May 9th, 8 to noon. You or a designee must be available to pick up your plants, as we cannot hold your plant material past Saturday due to they are bare root. You will be assigned a specific date and time to shorten wait times for everyone. Everything in this preview can be found at www.plymouthmn.gov/tree sale. Let's go through a quick primer on landscaping principles. The first principle is right plant, right place. This may seem too simple, but you don't know how many landscapes I see that did not follow this principle. Form and size. Is it upright versus spreading, tall versus short? The functions: summer shade, screening for privacy, windbreaks, encouraging wildlife, pollinators, food source. Site conditions. Is it wet year-round or dry without irrigation? Shade versus sun, overhead or underground utilities. Getting it right the first time results in healthy plants and lower maintenance. So conversely, what is so wrong with wrong plant, wrong place? Just like in real estate, it's all about location, location, location. Improper location can result in higher maintenance requirements to keep a plant in its space. Ugly and/or unhealthy plants due to overcrowding or improper light requirements. All of this can lead to increased insect and disease problems, which in turn can result in more chemical control. A major goal of the tree sale is to create more diversity in Plymouth's community forest. Diverse forests are more resilient, sustainable, and healthy. Climate change is also a factor to consider when investing in the landscape of the future. Previous foresters didn't learn from the overplanting of elms and then ash, but our goal is to set up future generations for sustainable success. Even on an individual lot scale, diversity is still important. Before we look at our deciduous tree selections, let's discuss what bare root means and offers. All deciduous trees come bare root, meaning no pot or soil. The main disadvantages are you must plant soon before roots dry out. You may need to stake the tree for a year for the root system to grow. The main advantages are less expensive, easy to carry and move, and you can view the root system and plant at the proper depth. The bald cypress is a large, long-lived, and adaptable deciduous conifer tree known for its feathery foliage and reddish-brown bark. Native to southeastern United States, it is a prominent species in swamps and river bottoms, but also thrives in urban landscapes. The seeds are a food source for wildlife like squirrels, wild turkeys, and wood ducks. The Frontyard linden is a specific cultivar of American linden known for its symmetrically broad pyramidal shape that matures to a rounded crown. It is a popular low-maintenance shade tree, highly valued for its fragrant flowers and adaptability in urban landscapes. It produces subtle clusters of fragrant pale yellow flowers in early summer that attract bees and other pollinators. The northern Acclaim honeylocust is a hardy, fast-growing, thornless, and seedless shade tree known for its high adaptability to challenging urban and cold climates. It provides dappled shade, allowing for turf or perennial gardens to survive underneath. The Princeton American elm is a highly valued, fast-growing shade tree known for its classic V-shape and excellent resistance to Dutch elm disease. It is a popular choice for urban landscapes and street plantings, tolerating a wide range of conditions. It also acts as a larval host for butterflies, including the mourning cloak and question mark. The Minnesota strain of Redbud is a cold-hardy small deciduous tree specifically developed to withstand Zone 4 winters. Known for its brilliant rose-purple spring flowers before it leaves out, this tree is ideal for northern climates and is often used as a specimen plant. It provides crucial early-season nectar for pollinators, as well as supporting birds with seeds and acting as a host plant for many butterfly species. The Rejoice crab is a popular low-maintenance crabapple variety known for its upright symmetrical form and disease resistance. Small, showy burgundy fruits occasionally follow the flowers and persist into late autumn or winter, providing a food source for birds. It is considered to have less fruit than many other crabapples, which can be desirable for low-mess areas. This cultivar boasts excellent disease resistance, including good resistance to scab, fire blight, cedar apple rust, and mildew. The Silver Queen maple is a popular cultivar of the silver maple, known for its faster, more upright growth and stronger branching. It has attractive silvery white leaf undersides and bright yellow fall color. It can tolerate a wide range of soils, including heavy clay, making it a tough, fast-growing shade tree. Did I mention it's seedless? No helicopter seeds in the summer for you to sweep up. The white oak is a large, long-lived, and slow-growing native North American hardwood, known for its wide-spreading, rounded form and durable rot-resistant wood used for furniture, flooring, and whiskey barrels. It is a key ecological species that can live for over 450 years, making it a long-term landscape investment. As a keystone species, it provides immense environmental benefits, supporting over 500 caterpillar species and hosting diverse wildlife with their nutritious acorns. Now we'll move on to previewing the conifer choices. Unlike barewood deciduous trees, evergreens come in pots, which is standard nursery practice. Although evergreens are not native to Plymouth in general due to clay alkaline soils, we do offer these three tough species. The Royal Splendor Norway spruce is a fast-growing evergreen conifer. It features a strong central leader, upright branching, and bright green needles, maintaining a tight, narrow, pyramidal shape without the typical pendulous, drooping branches of other Norway spruce. The Prairie statesman Swiss stone pine is a slow-growing, highly cold-hardy evergreen. It is prized for its dense, narrow, conical form and rich emerald green needles with silvery blue overtones. Slow growing, ensuring it maintains its compact shape for years. Techny arborvitae is a popular, hardy, and versatile evergreen shrub known for its deep green, year-round color and dense pyramidal or conical shape. Ideal for privacy screens and hedges. It's easy to prune, making it excellent for structured formal hedges. Now let's look at our shrub offerings. The shrubs come bare root, meaning there is no pot or soil. Bare root plants need to be planted in a timely manner. Make sure you keep the roots moist up until it is planted. Buying bare root has its advantages. They're less expensive than potted plants. They're easy to carry and transport. You can also view the roots to ensure they're healthy. Rarely are there stem-girdling roots with bare root plants, meaning roots won't be wrapped around the stem of the shrub, eventually cutting off the nutrient flow, which is common in many potted plants. If you do find this situation, it can be easily pruned out with a hand pruner. And lastly, you often don't have to dig a big hole like you would with a pot. Remember, keep those roots moist and give the plant a healthy amount of water once it is planted. The American cranberry bush is a versatile, hardy deciduous shrub native to northern North America. Known for its multi-season interest, it is a staple in wildlife-friendly landscapes and edible gardens. The berries serve as a critical winter food source for birds like cedar waxwings and ruffed grouse. It also attracts butterflies and serves as host plant for the hummingbird clear-wing moth. The first Editions Campfire rose is a hardy, continuous blooming shrub rose from the Canadian Artist Series, named after a painting by Canadian artist Tom Thomson. It is widely celebrated for its multicolored fire-like blooms and exceptional cold tolerance. Blooms continuously from late spring until the first hard frost. It's best pruned in late winter or early spring. You can cut it back hard to about 12 inches above the ground to rejuvenate the plant and encourage vigorous new growth. The first edition's virtual violet lilac is a dense, upright deciduous shrub known for its exceptional fragrant violet flowers, deep purple stems, and shiny new leaves that emerge with the violet tint. It is low-maintenance, mildew-free hybrid suitable for hedges, mass plantings, or as a specimen plant. Like all lilacs, it should be pruned after flowering to avoid removing the next season's flower buds, as it blooms on old wood. It's a good choice for attracting butterflies and bees to your yard. The gray dogwood is a native deciduous shrub known for its creamy white flowers, white berries on distinctive reddish-pink stems. It is adaptable to a wide range of soil and light conditions. The flowers attract numerous pollinators, including bees and butterflies, while the berries are a vital food source for over 100 species of birds and small mammals. The Nippon beauty peony is a highly regarded Japanese form peony, first introduced in 1927. It is prized for its dramatic contrast of deep red guard petals surrounding a center of gold-edged red staminoids. It is a late-season bloomer, typically flowering in late spring to early summer, roughly May to June, for about 7 to 10 days. The northern gold forsythia is a popular cold-hardy deciduous shrub known for its abundant, vibrant, golden yellow flowers that bloom in early spring, usually late March, before the leaves emerge. It is a low-maintenance plant that is highly adaptable to various conditions and is generally deer-resistant. Shadblow serviceberry, or Juneberry, is a deciduous large shrub or small tree prized for its early spring flowers, edible berries, and attractive fall foliage. The sweet edible berries taste like a mix of apple and blueberry and are a valuable food source for birds, small mammals, and humans. It is native to eastern North America and offers 4 seasons of interest in the landscape. Let's now take a look at our 4 fruit offerings. Again, all fruit selections come bare root without a pot or soil. Again, the main disadvantages are the plants must be planted soon before the roots dry out, but the main advantages are they're less expensive, easy to carry and move, and you can view the root system and plant at the proper depth. The Aurora and Borealis honeyberry are popular cold-hardy deciduous shrubs known for their sweet large berries that ripen in late spring to early summer. They are vigorous, productive varieties typically grown for fresh eating and processing into jams or baked goods. Honeyberry are not reliable self-pollinators, so we're offering both varieties in a 2-pack so they can pollinate each other, resulting in a more consistent production of fruit. The Mesabi cherry is a cold-hardy, semi-dwarf, and self-pollinating hybrid tart cherry, ideal for home orchards in Zone 4. It produces large, bright red, sweet tart fruit with a red flesh in mid-July. Its size makes it suitable for small landscapes. It is also often grown as a large shrub. The snowsweet is a cold-hardy, late-season apple introduced in 2006 from the University of Minnesota. It's known for its crisp, sweet tart flavor with rich, buttery, or slightly spicy notes. It has distinct bright white flesh that is slow to oxidize or brown, making it excellent for fresh eating, salads, and cooking. It has a late-season harvest, typically ripening in mid to late October. It does require another apple or crabapple species for pollination. The Somerset seedless grape is a cold-hardy, early-ripening red grape prized for its sweet, distinct strawberry-like flavor, making it excellent for fresh eating, juice, and jelly in these northern climates. Known for its firm texture, compact clusters of small berries, and good disease resistance. It benefits from full sun and well-drained soil. You made it to the end. Thank you for watching the 2026 Plant Sale Virtual Preview. Important dates to remember again. The sale begins March 2nd for Plymouth residents only. It's open to all other residents on March 9th. Pickup dates are Friday, May 8th, 3 to 6, and Saturday, May 9th, 8 to noon. Remember, everything can be found at our website, www.plymouthmn.gov/tree sale. Happy planting!